Hi everyone, it's Marissa from bumblebeeapothecary.com. Welcome back. Today I wanted to share with you my anti-aging skincare routine. This is my personal anti-aging skincare routine with my own homemade DIY skincare products. If you have been on my channel before, you're gonna know that I love grass-fed tallow. I like it for cooking, for using on things that you're gonna eat, as well as putting it on my skin. So you're gonna notice that a lot of the things that I'm gonna talk about are gonna have to do with that, but there are some other non-tallow things too, like this rose clay mask and honey, and my favorite anti-aging essential oils. So this is probably going to be a little bit of a unique anti-aging skincare routine in that respect, and also since I like to make everything that I use too. So let's jump in and look at the products that I love for anti-aging skincare. So let's first talk about tallow and the amazing things that it does for skin as far as its anti-aging benefits. So grass-fed beef tallow is one of the most amazing things out there for skin. It is so much better than any plant-based oil, and that is because it's so similar to the way that our skin is made and our skin cells. It's so compatible, and the nutrients that it has in it really give our skin what it needs to be able to regenerate and renew and keep a nice youthful look. Tallow is rich in so many different amazing skin-friendly nutrients. There are fat-soluble vitamins, there's anti-inflammatory conjugated linoleic acid, it's rich in minerals, there's oleic acid that helps the tallow penetrate deeply into the skin so it can do its work. Palmitic acid improves the skin's barrier function, stearic acid helps to repair skin, and omega-7 fatty acids, which are some of skin's basic building blocks. So as you can see, there's so many different things in there that just provide skin with exactly what it needs to be able to regenerate and renew and look amazing. I like to use grass-fed tallow to make a variety of skincare products. I have a whipped tallow sugar scrub that I like to make. Sugar is really nice as a gentle exfoliator. I like using that on my face so that I get the benefits of the tallow on my skin as well as gentle exfoliating. I also like using this essential oil blend from Plant Therapy called Soft Skin. It is full of a whole bunch of different essential oils that are so beneficial for skin as far as anti-aging benefits. I like to mix this essential oil blend into the tallow balm to use straight on my face as a moisturizer, or actually as a cleanser, which I'm going to talk about in a second. And then I also like to use it in this whipped tallow sugar scrub and in the honey as a honey face wash. So if you're familiar with the oil cleansing method, you'll know how that works. If you're new to it, I'm going to put a link below to a video that talks about how the oil cleansing method works so that you can see what that is. But basically it's using the idea that like dissolves like, and using an oil-based substance to cleanse your skin. It's really, really amazing. It pretty much life-changing, especially if you're dealing with something like acne or you're really wanting to hydrate deeply. So I like to use tallow balm for oil cleansing, and then I like to use this essential oil blend with it like that. So again, check out that video on how to do the oil cleansing method. But that for me is a really important part of an anti-aging skincare routine, is that oil cleansing method with tallow balm. Another thing that I like to do is use this soft skin essential oil blend in honey for a honey face wash along with rose hips. Rose hips contain a lot of vitamin C and they help to brighten your skin. Honey has so many different enzymes and nutrients that are beneficial for skin. It has natural preservative properties, and preserving is basically what you want to do when you want to keep your skin looking youthful and have anti-aging benefits, so it works great for that. It's very gentle, it doesn't strip skin, but it's gently cleansing. And then the other thing that I like to do for an anti-aging skincare routine is my favorite rose clay mask. So this is a pink clay mask. It's beautiful, it's so hydrating and soothing, brightening. I love it. It is so nice. It's cleansing, but in a very gentle way, so it's not harsh at all. It's my favorite face mask ever. I have recipes and video tutorials on how to make all of the products that I've just talked about, and I will have links to all of them below. I wanted to also show you that I have a new set of printable labels that I came up with. These are made to fit all of the different products that I show you how to make on my channel. So there's specific labels for each thing, and then it also includes the directions and the recipe on the back label. So you can easily make more when you run out. You don't have to run to the computer and look up the recipe. You've got it right on the container. So you can get this whole pack of printable labels. There's 30 different labels for $9.99. So I've done all the work designing them and everything for you, and you can start labeling your products and make them look really nice. So there will be a link below where you can check that out. There's also going to be a link to my blog post where I have this full written article with all the information and some more information about the ingredients and products, as well as a printable recipe card for each of those recipes. I have videos on how to make tallow balm, how to make this sugar scrub, how to make this rose clay mask and another green clay mask, the honey face wash, honey face mask, more information about essential oils. There's also lots more information on my channel and other videos, which I'll link below, and on my blog about the benefits of grass-fed tallow. I'll have links below to the different ingredients that you need to have to make these different products, as well as links to where you can buy them if you want to buy them pre-made. I also have a free ebook called Natural Beauty Recipes, and it has a lot of these same recipes in it, the scrubs and face masks, tallow balm, honey face wash, as well as a few other recipes. They're all together in one free ebook, so there will be a link below if you want to grab that. Alright, so leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about this kind of different, unconventional anti-aging skincare routine. If you have questions about anything, leave me a comment. I always try to respond to all of my comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with anybody else who you think might find it interesting, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I make new videos every week on traditional health wisdom and living a sustainable DIY lifestyle. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.